Hello guys, let's start to do this today. Okay, I'm just going to add the new Windows here, so which is like Windows 10 MSIX packaging. Okay, so for that you have to click you know uh, down there and give the name here, right? Windows. Okay, I will give here Windows 10 and dash 3 and choose your network and choose your Windows and create virtual machine. Yeah, so I will do this a little bit faster. Okay, just extracting that. Almost done. Yeah, now click connect. So this is another way you can do that for the Windows. So this is a new Windows, right? Okay, now we have to go for uh, the add locations where that file is actually located. So I'm showing you here, where is that? You can just click show and hidden file, all right, and program data inside there, and go to Microsoft, and after that go to you have to go to Windows. After that, virtual hard disks. So here, see that file is located here. Okay. Now we are going to open the that file, that Windows, which is just I install, right? So I am doing a little bit faster here. Okay, so I don't want to make it slow. Just fast this one and finish the this installation. Okay, just admin here, password, and just put everything, and then you can see the your new window here. Okay, this takes a little bit time. Yeah, just like in login here. Now, this is your new, MSIX Windows package. So this is a new one, so you don't have to download anything, from the ISO file. So this one is you can get from the Hyper-V directly. Okay, this is for the new system. So now I'm going to change the name, PC name, Windows Win. Okay, 10 Win 3. Okay, that's good. And yeah, just click. Okay, close, restart later. I have to put here like network also, so I want to add this computer in domain, so that's why I need a IP address. I'm not using like a DSCP right now, that's why I'm giving manually. Okay, so why I'm doing this one, so I'll show you later. So that is is I will use these computers in when I'm making like an additional domain. So in that time what happened, I will show you later. So just put here DNS. DNS is a 10-hour. Okay, close it, and one time go to restart it. It's working. Admin, yeah. Now go to add this computer in domain. So change, put your domain name here, click OK. Credential of the your domain, and click OK, and go ahead and restart it one more time. Okay, now we are going to see here which user is in here. So but make one in OU here first. I'm going to make a HR department OU. I want to use that computer for this department, and create the one HR client. I mean like a user, Sumina Karki, and yeah, give the username Sumina.Karki. Next, and put the type here password. One more time, password here. I forgot the below one. Next, finished. Okay. Create the group, HR group, HR department group. Okay, that's good. Now go properties, member, add that member here. Yeah, check that and add that. Okay. So I think here I don't need this one actually. So that member. So just add here, but uh, this group is good here. Oh yeah, sorry. So this one is wrong here, and just member. So I want to just delete that one from here. Yeah, domain is delete, and a member of. I want to put here like that domain. Yeah, domain users, and then add here one more. I think remote is also good. Remote, desktop also you can add. Okay, and apply. Okay. Okay, so everything is done here. Let's go. Now I have in here some drive, right? Because we are going to do the drive, map drive, right? So that's why I have it here, drive. See, map drive, inside the map drive folder. So home, HR, everything is here. It's okay. So that's why I'm going to this everything sharing here. Okay, so that's, I think so everyone know that. So I'm just setting this one, and go to add here for the our HR department. Okay, add, give them read and write, apply. Okay, and then just copy that, right click and copy. Okay, now go to because we are creating in a map drive, right? So that's why go to using a script. Okay, that's why I'm going to doing that. So here is in a script, right? So net use, and S drive, save as, and I will save that desktop right now. So why I will say that later in a bad file, desktop. Okay, save, and now you can search here PDC. See there, net logon. So there we need that file there. Okay, so okay, now HR, that's just copy and paste there. Okay, that we need that later. So that's why go to GPO now, and click HR department, because we are creating here, create one GPO. GPO name is HR, okay, log on script. Okay, okay, and now right click, edit. Now choose here user configurations, and go to Windows setting, and script logon. Okay, and double click there, or go to properties and add here, and browse, and just select here all, and type here double slash your PDC. Actually we need a PDC here, PDC, and slash net logon. Like, yeah, you can see there that HR, right? Just select that one and open it, and okay, and apply. and okay. Now everything is done here. So let's close everything, and you can see here, like, just check that, which client is here, Sumana Karki, right? Properties, I will check there, like, profile, and I want to, make a one, home drive also here. So just like in a personal drive, okay? Double slash pdc slash, and that, there is like a personal, I already, uh, share that, so slash and a username, okay, apply, and okay. So we can get two drive for that Sumina car key, okay. So here I will put the, like, that credential here, username. I think I put here wrong maybe, yeah. So let's see the one more time here, Sumina, right? Umina car key, okay. Now here is a Sumina dot car key and password. Now login. So just put it here, so because sometimes it's happened, so just click that and then try to log in again. Sumina dot car key and password. Okay, this one is happening first time, so it takes a little bit time, so I will do a little bit faster this one, okay, a little bit faster, yeah. Now it's open, right? So I will make this a little bit like in bigger, okay. So this is a, yeah, 1920 size, keep this one. Okay, now check it out, the, like, file explorer here, check it out, see these two. Okay guys, in this, Windows 10 one, so we have just like a marketing, drive, map drive, and, like, it's personal drive, right? So if I want like one more drive here, so how do we do that? So let's see here. So here we have a this drive, right? So marketing, we have a one is this, and personal, right? I need, like, public also. How do we do that? So for that, I'm going to right click here, properties, sharing, right, and advanced sharing, and just select this one, permission, and just put here, like, domain user, right? And then just, like, select this one and give the, like, read and write, change here, and okay, and apply, and okay, and okay. So just, like, copy this one, right? Copy, and go to this one. So this is our, public notepad, right? Notepad, you always open notepad always open in, like, administrator, okay. So after that, just put this, script here, net use p drive and slash slash pdc, right? This is our, that, copy. I just put that pdc. You can put right like this also, this one, no problem. Pdc public, right? This one, like this. So this is our script, and save as this one. I will go to save first in desktop, right? See here, desktop public here, this one. So and put that this one is just like a bat, like this, and this one, right? Save it. I have already here, that's why I'm going to, like, do like replace here, right? And come back here, go here, and then go to your, just like remember, okay. So I already mentioned here, so we have just two drive here, not here, where is that, this one, just two drives here, marketing and personal, okay. I need a, public here, so that's why I'm going to do that. So now I'm going to pdc here, and tools, and group policy management, and that is for our marketing, right? Here, choose here marketing, and right click and create a GPO. That for, like, login, I think so, we don't have to do that, sorry. So this one is already one, marketing login script, uh, rename script, this one is script, okay, script, right? Right click and edit this one here. You can go to, like, user configurations and policy and Windows setting here and script log on log off. Click here and come back here to log on. Right click properties. We have already one here, right? See, this is for the marketing bad. This one is already there, right? So I want to add one more. Add and browse. Go to browse here, and here you just type backslash pdc. This is our server name, and this is net net log on, like this one. Select this one. See, this one is come here, net log on, and I have this public. If I don't have this one, suppose like this, I will go here, and this one is here, right? We save this one and just place here like this, and just select this one and open. See, this one is come here, right? And okay, see, we have now two pdc net logon public.bat and marketing.bat, right? Just we add both and apply. Okay, right? Now you can see here, just close this one, just close this one, right? Go here, and in marketing, see here, in user 2, I think, right click properties, profile. We already added that personal, right? So that's why no, this one is one and marketing one, so that two drive and one more drive, p drive, is coming. Okay, so let's see. Now we added that already. Now I'm going to, because this time I did not use the gp update. Okay, so just just apply for that script and go to your that marketing here, right? Just to drive. Let's see, I'm going to restart this one. Okay, now log in here. Now go to here, right? So go to your file explorer here and click this PC. You can see here, see, this is marketing public, just we made this one, and this one is personal, so three drive here. So like this you can map drive, you can do this one. Okay, so if you have any questions you can ask me later. Okay, bye.